Now this has no ammonia and no peroxide, and we all know that relaxed girls can use semi-permanent color. So that's what I'm going to do. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies, and what is crack-a-lackin' to all my newbies? And just in case y'all don't know what a newbie is, honey, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the third or fourth. Honey, we do not count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies, and I'm gonna need all of my newbies to gather around, get on in here, and come on in. Okay, so for today we got a quickie. I need y'all to come on in here, grab a seat, and get comfortable, because we're going to go over one little update as far as my hair is concerned. And this is a throwback to my video, what was it, 2 videos ago or something like that, where I was discussing the next chapter as far as my hair was concerned. You know, what I was going to do from this point on. So we're going to go over that. But first of all, I wanted to check in with all of y'all. How are y'all doing out there? And how is the weather over there where you guys are? Because I got to tell y'all, it has been a scorching hot time over here. Now, as someone kindly reminded me not too long ago, that not everyone is in their summertime era right now. So for those in the world who are not, just be thankful, because those of us who are, we are really taking a beating as far as all this sun and this heat, and there's been storms and there's been a whole bunch of goings on going on. So I wanted to check in with you. How's mama and them? How's everybody? I hope everybody's staying cool and not doing too much. Don't overexert yourself during all this heat and all this extreme weather. And like I said, over here where I am, we've hit 3 digits. So we're pretty much in 3-digit territory. We've been hitting those marks maybe for about a week straight, if not longer. So again, everyone, please take care of yourself, stay hydrated. If you don't need to go out, please don't, just stay in the AC. Hopefully you have that. If you don't have that, turn the fans on. If you don't have that, then open the windows, but try and stay as cool as possible. So I did want to touch on that, make sure that all of y'all are good. So y'all good? Okay, I hope we all good out there. Now, just as a little side note that don't have nothing to do with nothing, I just wanted to share a little goodie. I picked up some chapsticks about a week ago, and these are from Bert's Bees. So it came in a little 4-pack, and I have used their chapstick before, or lip balm before, and normally I use the Carmex. Okay, so I have Carmex, but I have it in the tin, so you have to sort of dip your finger in it, and you know, so when you're out and about, you don't want to be dipping your fingers while you're out and about. Even with the hand sanitizer, I don't want to play around. So being that I ran out of my lip balm, I re-upped on it, and I figured I would do the 4-pack because I saw this on Amazon. You know, we all love Amazon. So I did a little tapping on my keyboard, and I treated myself to some more chapstick. And right now I'm wearing the coconut and pear. Okay, so it comes in different, I guess, flavors, if you will, but it does come in a variety of flavors. And this one was the one with cucumber, mint, and vanilla bean, which I can't wait to try, because the one that I had was strawberry, which is, you know, the normal fare for lip balm. But these were, I found these interesting: cucumber, mint, vanilla bean, and the beeswax lip balm, and that's with vitamin E and peppermint. And for those who are not familiar with Bert's Bees, they pretty much go the natural route, meaning that with their products, they like to use natural ingredients, including beeswax. That's pretty much the staple in most of their products. And this one pretty much is no different, as this is formulated without parabens, phthalates, petroleum, or SLS, which is the sulfates, you know, that we went over, the sodium lauryl sulfate. and they do no animal testing. And with these in particular, I believe they use like shea butter and other types of natural ingredients in them. And what I like about the lip balm is that it doesn't leave my lips peeling. You know, sometimes when you use a lip balm, they're pretty good, but then after a while, you know, either you get the white line around your, you know, after you've been talking for a while and you get a little white line around your lips or in between your lips, you know, just from, you know, condensation from your mouth moving. You know, there's that. And as well, sometimes you can use, you know, different lip balms can actually leave your lips feeling dry or drier. But I haven't had that be the case with these particular lip balms. So I re-upped on those, and I just figure I just let y'all know, you know, being that we're friends and all, we like to share around here. So I just figure I share that little tidbit. Now, in addition to that, I've been using my lemon butter cuticle cream by Burt's Bees as well, and I absolutely love this stuff. You know, as of recent, we've been going over, you know, certain things for the summertime, certain smell goods for the summertime that will have you smelling good. Well, this is right up here with it. And what I like to do, especially when my nails are not painted, as sometimes I don't paint them sometimes, okay? I definitely try to make sure that my cuticles don't look dry and torn up. And so that's what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And it does smell like lemon, and it does enrich your cuticles and make them supple and soft. Now, I've had this for a while, and I will say, the one thing about Burt's Bees products, if you do not use them right away, they will stiffen up on you, you know, because I'm assuming because of the beeswax in it. And you know, beeswax can be stiff as it's used in candles and other things, you know, it is a wax. So I'm going to have to re-up on my cuticle cream as well. Like I said, the time has been ticking on this for quite a while. So I'm going to re-up on this as well so I can keep my cuticles intact and looking kind of nice. And I will be painting my nails pretty soon too, because I did get a request to do my nails. So I will do that. So speaking of summer and summertime, I have been going out, you know, and when I go out, I try and make it really quick, you know, because like I said, it's really been an oven out here. It really has. I have been going out, and I think I told you guys this before, as you know, it happens with a lot of us. Now that the sun has been touching my shoulders and my skin as well as my hair has responded by getting lighter. During the summertime, I do get streaks, you know, like right around my temples. So like right around here. And I've noticed that this summer it's happening again. And you know, I kind of like it. I like when my hair gets a little sun-kissed. So now that I have this color in my hair, and for those who are not initiated, we're going to catch you up in a moment or two. But now that I have this rinse in my hair, it's making it a little bit, again, warmer. You know, it was a little cool, so now it's a little warmer now as far as the tones. And it's looking a little better, because you know, I was sort of vacillating whether I liked it or not. But I will say that the sun is helping, but not to the point where I done changed my mind, because I am going to, just like I said in my video, I am going to do another go at the whole hair color thing. And I just couldn't wait. I told y'all that I have a warmer hue. I have it somewhere in storage, but I couldn't wait. Again, I couldn't hold my mule, and I just went on Amazon and I just ordered what I needed, or what I wanted. So to catch everyone up on what I am talking about, I used a semi-permanent on my hair some months ago. It's by Clairol Beautiful. It's part of their beautiful collection. And what I did was I bought 2 bottles. One is the normal beautiful collection, okay? And one is for gray hair, especially formulated for gray hair, because I'm getting a couple of streaks in my crown. So I was basically going to, you know, give it a different hue. And what I did was I ended up using the normal or the non-gray solution of the Clairol Beautiful. Now this is in a neutral color or a cooler tone. And what had happened was I did use it, and like I said, I liked it at first, and I was, I was sort of teetering and tottering and going back and forth. So I realized what the problem was for me as far as totally embracing this new color was that I have a lot of warm tones in my skin. So having it in my hair, warmth in my hair, it bodes well for me and my skin tone. So with that being said, I decided to right the ship, if you will, and I did tap on Amazon, and I bought the Honey Brown, the Beautiful Collection moisturizing color, semi-permanent color in Honey Brown. So this is what it looks like. So this is a warm shade. I've had this before, and like I said, my bottle is packed away somewhere. It don't even ask. So I bought this color as well as a red color. Now this has no ammonia and no peroxide, and we all know that relaxed girls can use semi-permanent color. So that's what I'm going to do. Pretty soon I am going to do this. I'm going to put this on my hair, and then I'm going to, you know me, I'm going to show and tell and show you what I'm working with. But I just wanted to give y'all the update that I did snag this bottle. Again, I don't know if you can tell the difference just by the bottles, but this is the cooler tone, the light natural blonde. And then this is the honey brown, and this is warmer. So the other one that I bought in the Advanced Gray Solution, this was a toasted hazelnut. Now this one I didn't even try yet because I was so meh on the other neutral tone that I didn't even try this one. But that's what that looks like. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll mix it with something, because you can mix these colors. So we'll see. We'll see. But again, I'm just a little hesitant, because it is a cool tone. And, I thought I was doing something by buying the cooler tone, but needless to say, we shall see what I do with this. But I had to come in here and give y'all the update that I am now prepared and scheduled, loosely scheduled, because I don't know exactly when, but I have procured my upgrade as far as my hair color is concerned. And we will indulge, if you will, very soon, very soon. And like I said, when I do it, I'm going to show and tell. And another update, you guys know that I said I was going to grow my bangs out and try curtain bangs. And for right now, I will say that I have not trimmed them. I have not cut them. So we are now right about the bridge of my nose, or right past the bridge. So we are getting towards the middle of my nose, which is usually around the time that I like to trim my bangs, because I like them right about, I pretty much like them right at eye level. So this is getting a little past eye level, and again, we growing. So I'm going to try and grow them out, maybe to the top of my cheeks, and just see how that goes. See if I want to take that any further. And yeah, we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here really quickly. I just wanted to tiptoe on in here, sit down and share with all of y'all what the latest and the greatest is, as far as, just a little bit of this and just a little bit of that. Nails and cuticle cream. And finally, with our hair, we talked about our hair and what's going on with the color and the update with that. So I think we have covered all the bases. What do you think? I think we did. So I think it is now time for us to skedaddle. What do you think? I think we should. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, we have more stuff on the list, so you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. so you come on back. All right.